Hello, I'm a new blogger. Welcome to subscribe on my channel. Okay, I'm just browsing over the internet, and then I see there have one PlayStation Vita. Wow, the price is super cheap. It's only 260 RMB. 260 with times 50 times 7, sorry, it's around 1,820 Philippine peso. It's very cheap. Let's convert to dollar, is around $36 only. So I'm decided to buy it, but the seller saying it's broken. Let's see if I can get it in a cheaper price with a good condition. Okay, then I already ordered it. Now it's already delivered inside the box. Let's open the box. Okay, so it is here. Let's see the condition. Oh, the front looks like okay. Let's try to open it. No, not function. I have charger, keyboard here. Okay, I will charge it. Oh, no any function. Okay, let's see what happened. It's really broken, same as the seller said. You can see the screw is gone. This one is gone. Here have one screw. Here have one screw. Here is also gone. Here have two screws should be, but it's only remaining one. Let's open it to see what happened. Okay, I'll put it here. I'm not professional for repairing. I just want to get it in cheaper price. If some part is not professional, it's fine. Please understand. Is the screw already loose straight, cannot open. Okay, let's see again. Oh, they have nothing attached, and then the cable, the wire is loose. 100% is broken. Maybe somebody just repair it and then it's totally dead, cannot fix. They just sold it out. Can see here, this connector looks okay, not died. Let's see on the motherboard. Here should be the power connector, but it's already gone, and unluckily the copper here for attach also already gone. So possible this board is totally defective, need to change the board. And here for this part, if you can see here, have crack on the right side keyboard, so possible here is not functioning well. Okay, left side fine. Camera is here. This is 3G version. No, not 3G version. This is only Wi-Fi version. Let's see. Touch like okay. So let's try if we can fix it and then make it alive again. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you next time.